guys, it's Tiara again, and I keep losing my pens all the time, so today I'm going to make a pen holder to fix that issue. So let's begin. So today we'll be using some Little Birdie craft glue, a multi-purpose blade, a pair of scissors, filament paper, some foam sheets and a little bit of velvet. Now we're going to need to cut out these shapes from cardboard. This is going to be the back of the owl's body. This is going to be the front of the owl's body. This is for the wings, this is for the eyes, this is for the eyelashes, and this is for support. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our cardboard pieces on our sheets and just trace out the shapes like this, and then we're going to cut it with our scissors. So we'll need to cut 2 pieces of the wings, 2 pieces of the eye, 2 pieces of the eyelash, 1 tiny rectangle for the nose, 1 piece for the front part of the body, 1 piece like this by keeping the 2 of them on top of each other, 1 piece like this, and another piece like this. Alright, so now we're going to stick our pieces together. Just take a little bit of glue and put it on these 3 sides. Once you applied the glue, take this piece and place it on top of this piece and press down on the edges to make sure that it sticks well. Then we take this piece and we're going to attach it like this. We're going to paste it on top. Adjust it and then press it down. Now we'll stick our wings on like this. Paste it like this. We're gonna do the same with this one as well. Now we're gonna stick this one as well. Once we've done that, we'll see where we want to keep our eyes. I like this place, so I'm gonna stick my eyes here. Now we paste our nose here and our eyelashes like this. Now we're going to turn it on its back and stick our piece of cardboard and then the other piece we had cut on top of it to hide it. So this is the finished product, and now you can use this to store your stationery. Or if you want, you can hang it in front of your desk. You can keep it like this and hang it.